Last one.
Last one, a Florida woman is suing Velveeta. For those of you that don't know, that's like a cheesy substance, a cheesy type of, well, in this case, I guess it's mac and cheese. I think you can actually buy that cheese product on its own. It's like a liquid cheddar.
No, it's like a block of cheddar, right?
No.
Yeah.
It's not a block.
And then you melt it.
Listen, that is not a block of cheddar, okay? That thing is far from cheddar. It's more like butter.
Yeah.
It's I don't know. I honestly don't even know what the ingredients are. Maybe we should look it up, but it's you're supposed to melt it, I guess, and put it on things. And in this case,
processed cheese.
It's a process to it. It's definitely a process. I'll tell you that, Will. That's ain't nothing naturally occurring over there. Introduced in 1918. Who would have thought the thing was that old? Okay, give me the Wikipedia. I'll give you your quick Velveeta. I'll give it to you since it's from 1918. The firm was purchased by Kraft Foods in 1927. It's so crazy, this stuff hanging around. Velveeta became the first cheese product to gain the American Medical Association seal of approval. It was reformulated in 1953 as a cheese spread, but as of 2002, Velveeta must be labeled in the United States as a pasteurized, prepared cheese product. Are you eating cheese? No. I'm currently indulging in a pasteurized, prepared cheese product, actually.
You want some?
Smoothness and the melting ability are promoted as properties that result from reincorporating the whey with the curd. Okay, here are the ingredients. Milk, water, whey, milk protein concentrate, milk fat, whey protein concentrate, sodium phosphate, and 2% or less of salt, calcium phosphate, lactic acid, sorbic acid, sodium citrate, sodium alginate, enzymes, apocarotinol, annatto, and cheese culture. Okay. All right. Well, there's some cheese stuff. There's some cheese-like stuff going on.
Yeah.
Anyway, the Florida woman was not so happy with the Velveeta product, suing Velveeta for $5 million, claiming her instant macaroni didn't cook fast enough. Woman claimed in a suit that Velveeta is not the easy, cheesy macaroni it's made to seem. It's supposed to be ready in 3.5 minutes, and the prep time is a lie. Instead, she said it took her multiple steps to cook and that the product cost too much money. I feel like it's the people's court. You know how they do the proposal at the beginning? Instead, claimed that Velveeta's advertised 3.5 minute prep time is a lie. Is a lie. You see, here's the problem with this. Is there not some personal preference involved here? I mean, this still is a macaroni is still a pasta product, and I don't like my pasta like you like yours. Like,
well, I like it al dente.
Well, you're screaming at me now.
Yeah. Come on now.
But I might like it more al dente than you, or less al dente than you.
Sure.
But I'm glad that you said al dente on this show because I've been waiting for about 5 years.
Okay.
For you to utter those words, because al dente is key. If you're not doing al dente, then you're doing al dente. Yeah, if you're not doing al dente, you're doing al dente.
Yeah.
So anyway, I guess she said it took more than 3.5 minutes for her to provide consumers with the product. Statement ready 3.5 is false and misleading. The product takes longer than 3.5 minutes to prepare for consumption. She said in a suit to provide consumers with a product that's actually ready in 3.5. The product will need to be cooked in the microwave for less than 3.5 minutes. So I guess how long does it need to go in the microwave? Go back up? Maybe I do like this lawsuit. The microwaving step takes 3. Oh, get out of here. Never mind.
Well, maybe her power level.
That's not the issue at all. She's saying there's a couple steps before you even get to the microwave step. So if the microwave step on the package says 3.5 minutes, then there's no way it's actually ready in 3.5 minutes. Anyway, $5 million. What is that? That's the damage done. Look at how it says on the package, liquid gold.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you need. Well, that's how you're going to get cured up with the extraction, the dental work. Never mind painkillers. There's only one thing that you need. You need some al dente liquid gold. Thank you very much, everybody who joined us here today. Thank you very much to Willie Doo for showing up and surviving in the midst of his injury. Well, no, he doesn't have an injury. Self-inflicted. He needed to have it done. He got to have the extraction going on. Myself, on the other hand, definitely an injury. Definitely didn't need to happen.
Yeah.
Am I to blame partially? Will we ever find out more? Maybe. Probably not.
Let the people know.
I'm on the mend. Listen. I'm on the mend. It's only up from here. We're going up from here.
Yeah.
We're not going down. We're going up.
Yeah.
Liquid velvet gold. Gold liquid velvet. That's the way I like to think about this show.
There it is.
And everybody who's involved. We're all bathing in a puddle of liquid velvet gold.
Okay.
Thank you.